Introduce highlight features or overview summary for MZB 21.1 gallon ultra-quiet air compressor, 110 volts / 60 Hz, 3.0HP, 11.3CFM. Highlight features or overview summary are include. The air compressor is compact and lightweight, easy to carry around. It can be flexibly applied in various working scenarios such as automobile repair shops, woodworking studios, and painting workshops, ideal for staple guns, brad nail guns, roofing nail guns, framing nail guns, spray guns, blow guns, air drills, HVLP spray guns, electrical automatic screwdrivers and more. Meeting the usage requirements of different industries. Highly efficient and fast with quiet operation. It boasts outstanding inflation efficiency and can fill the pressure tank in just 132 seconds, greatly improving work efficiency. Meanwhile, its operating noise is extremely low, only 86 decibels. Equipped with 2 professional silencers and thickened filter cotton, it not only reduces noise but also effectively blocks fine dust from entering, creating a quiet and clean working environment. Outstanding performance with powerful driving force. The motor rotates at a high speed of 1050 round per minute. Under a working pressure of 115 psi, the air delivery volume can reach 11.3 CFM coupled with a 21.1 gallon steel air storage tank that stores sufficient air volume. The 3.0 HP horsepower output is stable and powerful, ensuring efficient operation under various working conditions. Safe and reliable. It is driven by an oil-free motor of 110 volt, 60 Hz, avoiding oil pollution, being environmentally friendly and energy-saving. The outer casing adopts a 3-layer protective structure, including an anti-rust and wear-resistant layer, a plastic powder adhesion layer, and Q235B structural steel. Not only sturdy and durable, effectively preventing gas leakage and potential explosion risks, but also has good corrosion resistance, greatly extending its service life. The overall design focuses on the convenience of maintenance. The structure is simple and easy to understand, and daily maintenance is effortless, reducing downtime for maintenance as well as costs. Thanks to its high-quality materials and exquisite manufacturing process, it has extremely high reliability and stability, ensuring stable operation for a long time and bringing users a long-lasting and efficient using experience. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.